something down in the road. Okay, here's this car, braving it all. And he stopped. Behind, there he goes. All right. He made it over. Will he keep moving? Now he's backing up. Lane this is? Whether this is okay. Okay, we don't know what direction this is. It looks like a light pole to me. Is it stuck under his car? Be careful on the roads. Those of you listening to us on 104.5 WOKV. Oh, okay. I can see what it is now. It's one of those light poles that it's like a T. So it's in the middle of the road, and there's a light on this side, and then there's a light on the other side. So there it is. He's pulling it. He's taking it with him. Huh. Wow. Okay, and shout out FDOT for moving the camera for us here. These are pretty dramatic visuals. Wow. And he cleared it. I don't know if he made that better or worse for anyone.